Hello guys, my name is Mr. Fields. I want to introduce myself to you. Welcome to the new school year. I'm going to be your science teacher this year. I'm looking forward to a lot of fun activities we're going to do. We're going to dig deep into the sciences. We're going to look at a broad spectrum of everything from biology and earth science. We're going to look at some physics, some chemistry, and mix it all together, see how it's all related. I'm going to do pretty much the same thing that the other science teachers are doing. So if you have a friend who's in another 6th grade class or another 7th grade class, they're going to be doing pretty much the same assignments that we are. Have you done Google Classroom before? That's the first thing you want to ask, because if you've done that before, you're in a good place to start, because Google Classroom is going to be where everything is at, where I'm going to post all of my assignments. Anything that we do in the class is going to be reflected on Google Classroom. That will be your first stop in shopping for things that you need to do in this class. Some new things that we're going to be doing this year that even I haven't done before. There's Microsoft Teams. We'll have meetings in Microsoft Teams as a class every day. We'll get together, we'll see each other's faces, and that's what Microsoft Teams is. Then Flipgrid is the other one. It's another video one, but it's where I give you an assignment and you are posting a video of yourself as a response to that assignment. Again, something new. You and I are learning it together as we go, so take your time and forgive yourself for any mistakes that you might make or I might make, because I know I'm going to make mistakes too. This school year is starting out very strange, right? And I want you to know that it's okay to try new things and it's okay to make mistakes as we go. It's very stressful for us right now, and this is something I want you to remember as we go through this school year. Remember this: out of all the problems that we are battling this year, from the personal to the global, we only have a small bit of control over a small portion of those conflicts, those challenges. Now, we're going to take it on step by step, moment by moment, little by little, and we're going to celebrate those small victories. And on some days those small victories may be that you were able to get onto the computer that day. Other days the victory may be that you were able to turn in an assignment. Another day it may be that you're able to turn in an assignment and actually demonstrate that you've learned something. But every step of the way I want you to celebrate those victories, because it's going to be extremely stressful and frustrating if you get down on yourself for something that you're not able to get perfectly, because this year is a lot about imperfection, a lot about things that are not going to go exactly the way we wanted them to, and that's okay. I'm going to be here with you, and while I'm grading your assignments, I'm also understanding. We're going through a lot of challenges, and I don't know where you're coming from. I don't know your challenges. Hopefully you'll share some of those with me. But I don't know the challenges that you're facing, and I'm understanding that. I understand that I don't know that, and that allows me to be forgiving and compassionate, and I know that you're going to do the same for me, because you know that I'm going through something that no teacher in the history of the world has ever gone through before. It's very, very different. I believe you will grow this year. We all will. We will learn new things. We'll learn new ways to do things and new ways to develop relationships through this digital divide. So here's the start. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. I've got a student questionnaire. Hopefully you can tell me a little bit about you also. I grew up in Sacramento. I graduated from Sac State. I have a wife and a 7-year-old daughter. I hold credentials in biological sciences, earth and planetary sciences, and social science. So I teach history sometimes too. I like camping, books, rocks, tea, and learning everything about everything. So I really get excited about all the stuff that we're going to talk about this year, and all the stuff that we know I get excited about, and all the stuff that we don't know, because that's one of the things that excites me about science is we know this much and there's so much more to learn. So join me on this exploration as we dig into sciences, and we'll have a lot of fun this year, and I look forward to everything we're going to do. Have a great day.